So we have another trip right now. We're in the Paterson WaterFall, and we decided to come over here just to see the waterfall and stuff. It's gonna be cool. Got a little creature. Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Look, Logan.
Yeah, nice water. Ooh, look at that. Yep. Well, we walked all the way up here to go on the bridge for nothing because it's closed. Boo! But this is how the bridge is over there. We was hoping to get wet by the water, but this is the first bridge. The other bridge is over there, but it's closed off. Oh man. Well, at least we came over here to see that little lake, or whatever it is, the waterfall. Right now we're about to go to the mountains and go to the castle that we went to last time when Monkey was pregnant with Logan. All right, let's go to the castle. Come on, come with Daddy. We're in Paterson Mountains, and there's a deer right there. Yeah. Ooh, nice. Hey, what's up, Bambi? They're renovating the castle, so we can't go up there. But other than that, this is nice. Look at the deer. I tell you, there was deers here, and then horses. The horse is all the way down there somewhere.